And staying with news on the crime front, a minister of religion is among 3 men charged in connection with a robbery along the Golden Valley Main Road in Castleton, St. Mary a week ago. Details in this report.
The police report that clergyman Alfonso Hines orchestrated a robbery, during which more than $1 million, cell phones and other belongings were stolen. Hines, 34, of an Olympic Way St. Andrew address, has been charged with robbery with aggravation, conspiracy to commit robbery, possession of prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony. 27-year-old Jermaine Small, otherwise called Natty, is charged with receiving stolen property, while 70-year-old Dudley Williams, also called Duddus, is on a charge of larceny by finding. It was reported that about 5:30 a.m. on Saturday, March 7, 3 persons were traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car along the Golden Valley Road when the vehicle developed mechanical problems. The occupants reportedly exited the vehicle and the driver opened the bonnet to check the engine. A man then approached, brandished a firearm, and proceeded to rob the group of a white iPhone 16, a Samsung Note Ultra cell phone, cash amounting to $1.5 million, and personal documents. The man then fled the scene on foot. A report was made to the police, and based on swift investigations, it was revealed that Hines allegedly orchestrated the robbery. Later that day, a joint operation involving members of the St. Mary and St. Andrew operational support teams was conducted along Golden Spring Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. During the operation, Small and Williams were found in possession of the stolen items and were subsequently arrested.